Driving in a hurricane? Am I crazy? Find out right after this. Well, welcome back to the weekly vlog. When I left you last week, I was doing the regen on the truck. Well, that all worked out pretty good. And we've got no problem with our fan clutch. But I think it'll be alright till we get to Little Rock, get it taken care of. But we was on our way to Crossville, Tennessee. We had a guy that ran out of hours down in Richmond, Kentucky. So we swapped out trailers, and I went on, took that load to Winston-Salem, North Carolina. That was Friday. Then they sent me down into the hurricane down to Maxton, North Carolina, Friday night, and I ran out of hours there, so I had to take my break and got up Saturday morning, which is now, and drove about 30 miles, and man, I tell you, it was pretty bad. Rain, wind. We stopped at this little truck stop here in Rockingham, take a little break, maybe wait for some daylight before we continue, but we need to get out of here as soon as possible, because I'm in the outer rain bands now, and yeah, it was raining pretty good there for a little while. I had a hard time seeing where I was going, but we made it up here, chilling out for a few minutes. I'm going to get some coffee, and we're going to head up northbound up into Springfield, Ohio. They want it there today. I don't think that's going to happen. Well, here's some hurricane stuff. Rain, wind. It ain't too windy though. We're getting ready to take this 74 west over towards Winston-Salem. Get up into Virginia and all that mess. But yeah, it's not, it got a little hairy there when I left that truck stop, and I was waiting for it to get light. It finally got light. It's still raining, but the wind is not as bad. Of course, I'm getting away from the worst part of it. Time we get up into West Virginia, maybe it'll probably be, might be some rain, but I don't think it'll be that bad. Alright, let me get, see where I got to exit and get off here. Saturday morning, I finally made it out of that storm, hurricane, whatever. Got here just across the Virginia line on I-77 North. Getting ready to climb the mountain here in a few minutes. Just stopping here to check everything out. I still hit some good wind just about 20 miles down the road. But I believe I'm finally out of the main part of it. And man, of all things to be in a hurricane. Crazy. I tried to avoid that thing, and they gave me that load going to North Carolina. I said, don't send me east to Winston-Salem, please. But they did anyway. If I'd have got loaded when I got there and didn't run out of hours at the shipper, I probably would have made it out of there and not had too much to worry about. So that's it. We're done. We're heading up the road, heading towards Springfield, Ohio. Let's go. Sunday morning, kind of cool out this morning. Had to bring out the long sleeve shirt. We're here at Springfield, Ohio with the customer. Dropping our loaded trailer here finally. And I pulled the landing gear handle out. It's full of water from the hurricane rain yesterday, no doubt. So we couldn't make it here last night, just ran short of time. And we're getting ready to go over here, find us an empty. I guess I haven't heard anything what I'm gonna do yet, but I'll send the empty trailer number in with the empty call. They're gonna have me doing something. I don't know. Need to get the Little Rock. I did that regen the other day. I think I fried my fan clutch. Sometimes the fan will just stay running constantly. Sometimes it shuts off. It works normal like it should. So I told him I need to get the Little Rock, get that thing looked at. Well, let's go find this empty. Books are empty. There's only one other empty. I think we got a good one. Yeah, I think we got a good one. I hope we got a good one. So time to go to work. Sunday afternoon, we're at the TA, London, Ohio, exit 79 on I-70. Yeah, that's right. Came on up here. Trying to get to Little Rock, as you know. They didn't have anything today. But surely they'll have something tomorrow. There's a lot of stuff that comes out of this area. And we'll get to Little Rock. Talk about that engine fan. The clutch, fan clutch. I don't know when it went out. My air conditioner went out again, like it has been going out. And every time I've had it fixed, where it'll cool for 20 minutes, then just blow out air, then cool. And then if you shut the truck off, it'll start back working, cooler for 20 minutes. I'm not too worried about the air conditioner now because it's cooler weather. But I still want to get it fixed because it should be warranty work. It hadn't been that long since I had it fixed last time. That's what we're trying to do, trying to get the Little Rock, get that engine fan taken care of, and the AC, and I don't know. We'll see. So we've been sitting around here all day, chilling out, took a little nap, relaxed. Finally, it's been a hectic few weeks, running every day, constantly, next day delivery, 500, 600 miles. Well, I'd rather just have a long load, 12, 1,300 miles, 2-3 days, and we can work at your own pace instead of, oh, you gotta get that load there tomorrow at a certain time, and it's 500 and something miles. Ugh. Alright, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go get some something to eat and probably go to bed early. Well, it's a beautiful Monday afternoon. We're in Richmond, Indiana, getting ready to get loaded, and we're going to take it down to Little Rock. Probably going to be a heavy load. I think it's dog food I'm getting. The load's going to Laredo, and I'd like to keep this load, but I got to get the truck worked on, and that's that. So hopefully we'll be loaded here shortly. We gotta drop our trailer and bobtail back to the other end of the lot, and they're gonna call me on the phone when the trailer is loaded. 452 here and back into a drop trailer. Just got loaded there in Richmond, Indiana. Now we're here at the Loves, which is right by the shipper, and getting ready to get on the cat scale. We've got this configuration all screwed up. I'll be careful cutting through like this. Got to get to the scale. Yes.
Truck number?
7524.
7524?
7524.
Alright, got you. Go fast.
Thank you. Right. See what we got. Got parked here at Petro in Effingham, Illinois. About 6:30. We did a couple hundred miles after we got loaded and got scaled. Which, by the way, the weight is good. I'm only got, I'm grossed out at 70,640. So we're good on that. Not worried about that weight. All the axles are good, so we're good to go. I'm going to take my break here tonight, get up early and get down to Little Rock so I can get this thing in the shop and get this pan taken care of. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Good coffee this morning. Coming to you from the Petro in Effingham, Illinois. Kind of getting a little bit of a late start, but we will be in Little Rock this afternoon. Drop this loaded trailer there on the yard and hopefully get this thing taken care of in the shop. Shouldn't be a big deal, I don't think. Looks like the old petrol here got filled up last night. They're parked in the way to get out. I gotta go all the way down here and around and back out just to get out. Check out the paranormal audio video I uploaded last night. Click on this up here, but first we'll come back after the end of the vlog and check it out. Let me me know what you think. Leave your comments or whatever on there. Let me know what you think it might be. Paranormal? I don't know. Probably not. It is kind of creepy. Kind of weird. I think we're going to be able to get out of this place this morning. Alright, well, we're going to have a good day. It's going to be a good day. Let's get on the big road. Tuesday evening, made it to Little Rock Yard. Dropped our loaded trailer over there. Getting ready to bobtail up to North Little Rock. There to the shop. Diamond International. Having them work on what they supposed to fix the first time and getting my engine fan fixed. So we're going to end this vlog right here. Don't forget the Facebook page, PaleriderTV, Twitter at PaleriderTV, and Instagram, PaleriderTV. Pretty good day today, except for getting a little warm in the truck. Stopped every so often to reset it, and it worked, for 10 minutes and blow out regular air. So we're gonna get that taken care of. And don't forget to watch the paranormal video. Leave your comments on there, and everybody have a good day. Stay safe, and I will see you next week.